If you want to record phone calls on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we're going to go to the phone app, and on the home page, we're going to tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and you can proceed to settings. Now, if you go to the phone app settings, and if you can find the call recording option in here, then of course you can select it, and you should be able to turn on call recording in here. It is of course necessary to be able to record phone calls on this phone. However, there is also a chance that you don't have this option at all. This might depend on the region that you live in. So if you don't have it, then unfortunately you will have to go to a, let's say a Play Store, for example, and you will have to download a third-party app that allows you to record phone calls. Usually you can type call recording over here, or call recorder, in order to find many different example apps that should allow you to record phone calls. But let me show you the built-in option. So there we go, this is how it looks like. You will see this prompt, record call, which of course you can turn on quite easily. There we go. And we can find the call recorder in the call assist in here. So if you can find it, then you should be able to open it over here. And of course you can start or stop recording at any point. There we go, this is how it looks like. And in case you don't have that option, in case you don't have the call assist in here, or you don't have the option to record the call, then what you can do is you can turn off call recording in here and turn it back on, and then you will have to end the call and start it again. This is what helped in my case at least. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.